You are going to love the 2009 G6, a great-looking sedan with the personality of a sports car. The Pontiac G6 incorporates fine-tuned independent suspension, 219 horsepower V6, and 4-speed automatic transmission with driver shift control. Boasting an EPA estimated 33 miles per gallon highway, the G6 is a stylish, fuel-efficient sedan that doesn't sacrifice amazing performance. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, cruise control, FWD, rear defrost, power windows, power locks, daytime running lamps, emissions federal requirements, 3-point rear seat belts. Your new ride is just a phone call away.